Next, live bidding. So you have to go to bidding option. And first of all, let's open TV screen and the user live view, where team owners also see all the bidding status. Okay. And now let me go to the admin panel, bidding option. Here, let me select the team type, player type, and take on new button. So it will take one player randomly. If you want to take manually, you can add the registration number over here and you can take the player. Now I have selected one and click the go button. So I see the player status in TV screen and user live screen. Okay. Now if I increase points, it will also show the points. Now select the team and click on sold button. So in TV screen, you can see the player got sold to the team Chennai Super Kings. And then in user live view also, you can see the status, the player got sold. And in here, sold category, you can see the player with which team and points, etc. Now let me do it again for another player. I have selected another player. TV screen, immediately it shows the second player. And let me increase the points. Yeah. Select the team. Sold. Now two players got sold. Okay, now TV bid. In TV screen also you can do the bidding. So we will provide you the separate link for that. So in here, like you can see, like in TV screen itself, you will be having the bidding option. So for that, first of all, you have to log in with your login informations, and then you have to select the player type, team type, and click on new button. So it will grab one player randomly from the list, or if you want, you can also add the registration number manually and take the player. Now I click the new button and go. So I got the player details on the screen. Now let me increase the points. You can see the points getting increased. And next you can select the team, Kolkata. I selected the team. Click on sold button. So the player got sold. In this way, like you don't have to open multiple links. In TV screen itself, you can do the bidding. Let me do it again. I have selected one more player and then increase the points. Selected the team. Click on sold button. Done. So 4 players sold successfully. 2 male, 2 female. Okay. So we have both the options. Like if you want to do it separately, you can do separately. Or if you want to do it in the TV screen, you can do it in TV screen also. Okay. And here in sold, you can see all the four players. Now, if you want to do some changes, like if you want to change the bidding amount or change the team or etc., or if you want to delete the player also, if you can delete the player from here, sold option. Or if you want to edit the details, team name or points, you can go to the player and you can edit it from here and submit. If in case needed, if you want to do any corrections or something, you can do in